Hey guys, we just received the white box samples of the packaging of the ASCAND, and while there's no printing on the box yet, I thought you would be interested in seeing how the product actually unboxes. So with that, let's get started. So let's get our hands on the outer package. This is the package that you will receive in the mail, and there's an inner package, an inner box that actually contains the product. There's a turntable, and the sleeve is already kind of put in there. And I'm taking the turntable out of the package. And there's two ways to power this. You could either power it with the USB cable that is part of the box that I'm unpacking here right now. You just plug it in there into a USB power source, or you could use a rechargeable battery, which I'm putting in here right now since I want to be completely wireless. So then we just attach the sleeve to the turntable. We're pretty much set with everything that we need from a turntable perspective. So let's unpack the ASCAND itself. So here's the body in a nice looking Klingon way, and let's put the turntable into the ASCAND body. I switch it on already so that we have something turning and see that there's something happening. So then I'm connecting the laser with the battery pack. But before I do that, I need to put some batteries into the battery pack, which I'm doing right now. Pretty simple, straightforward. You've probably seen this like millions of times before. Putting it into the battery pack, close the lid again, and after that I will connect the red plugs and the black plugs to see whether the power flows to the laser and it's lighting up. So I'm turning the switch and it looks great. So to have things a little more in order, I can put the cables into the body of the laser holder and put the laser holder into the body. Then I'm putting the battery case into the body too. And then I'm pretty much set to get started. That's it pretty much. But if I want to get wild, I will also add the phone holder. So I'm taking the phone holder out of the box, and what I'm doing now is I'm putting it together. It is put together like this, and then I'm taking my phone and make sure that I have the full turntable in view with my camera app. If I want to make sure that everything is neatly aligned, there's also some additional pieces in the box that will help you to make sure that everything is aligned and you're not looking at it from an odd angle from your phone camera to the turntable. So you can just put in those two little rods, and then you can put your phone holder on top of that. That way it makes sure that the camera looks onto the turntable at a right angle. Switch on your camera app, and that's it. You're done. Well, thanks a lot for watching. That was about like 3 minutes of unboxing the ASCAND. Hope you enjoyed it, and looking forward to welcoming you to the family.